Most robot cars just do one thing. Either they follow a line or maybe listen to a remote. But what if you had just one car that could do everything? I mean, follow a line, avoid obstacles, control it from your phone, even track objects in front of it. So I thought this should exist, right? Then I started searching for that kit,
2,000 years later.
and finally I found this, the AceBott QD001 RoboCar kit. Without thinking anymore, I just ordered it. A few days later, it's finally here, and I have also ordered the expansion kit, but we will check that later. For now, let's unbox this. Inside the box there are lots of components: motors, wheels, controller board, sensor, basically everything needed to build it. So I started assembling it. one point I did a small mistake, so I had to remove a few screws and fix it. After fixing that, assembly was done. Next, I followed the wiring diagram and connected all the components properly. Once everything was connected, it was time for the programming. So I went to their website to download the AceBott software. While that was downloading, I was just checking their website. They actually have a lot of other kits too, like weather station, smart home, spider robo kit, robotic arm, and more. So that's not just this one project. There is a lot you can try. And that's not just about assembling, you can get into coding, sensors, and automation. So if you are watching this and thinking I want to try this, you can check them out. I'll leave the link in the description. Alright, the download is complete. Let's install the software. Now I open AceBott. It uses block-based coding, so it's easy to use. I went to tutorials, selected QD001 and chose IR remote car option. Then I selected COM port and uploaded the code. Make sure you have already installed the batteries and turned on the switch. Here you can see it started working. Now I can control it using IR remote. Next, I uploaded another code to try the line following feature. As you can see, it's following line properly. It can also avoid obstacles depending on the code you upload. If you want to control it using your phone, you just need to upload the required code again. Install the AceBott app, connect the car's hotspot, open the app, and now you can control it from your phone. Now to make things more interesting, I got another kit, the QD004 expansion pack. This basically turns into off-road robot, so I unbox it first. Remove the wheels and rear motors and then install the new parts. Since the code was already uploaded, I just powered it on, connected my phone, and now it even works in off-road conditions. So yeah, this started as a simple robot car, but with different code and upgrades, it can do a lot more. If you want to see more projects like this, let me know. I'll see you in the next one.